What will happen in a drag race between a Land Rover Defender Octa V8, a BMW X5M V8, a Ferrari Purosangue V12, and this new Zeekr 8X Chinese SUV with a 2-litre 4-cylinder engine? I've got no chance. Have I? Anyway, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, and you're watching Carwow. Right, let's get into this drag race, but if you want to compare the detailed stats of all these cars, pause the video now. You seen it? Right, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Worst off the line. But doing fine, baby. What the Oh, it's gonna be close. Oh, what? No way!
Look at the Ferrari go! That's it, there you go.
Oh my goodness, that was a shock. That Ferrari came from nowhere. Ow, what happened? You dropped and then you were past us.
You know, the launch was a little bit off. Sam's launch is really good, but I got the timing down now, so it's all right.
So Al is from Quick Cars. They brought the Ferrari down. Sam, you looked like you were going to win at first, then it looked like you weren't going to win and I was going to beat you, and then you came third.
It looked like you were toying with me. I don't look with that smug little face. It doesn't make sense. You were about to blast past me, and then you just sat next to me, and then the Ferrari came through. Oh, Andy's here. Hi, Andy.
Hi, Sam.
So what I find interesting, Andy, is that your car has the same engine as the BMW, but with more power, and it did crap. You cocked it up, surely.
No, I think I'm just the wrong shape. Not physically, as in the car might be the wrong shape for this. I reckon I can go faster. Let's try again.
We're going to do best 3 out of 5 for the drag races, but before we get into that, I think we need to warm some tyres up, especially for that Ferrari. So let's go into a rolling race. We're going to do it in automatic mode and comfort mode. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yes. Oh, hello. Oh no. There goes the Ferrari.
Well, I'm beating the Octa, that's all that matters.
Come on, Octa.
Where's everyone else? This is a different race. What's happening? Well, that was interesting. You see, while my car may have a 2-litre turbo engine, it's also got 3 electric motors. So it's a plug-in hybrid, and most of the time that engine is just a generator to produce electricity. So I'm a 3-motor electric car, hence the pickup in comfort mode. But it wasn't sufficient to beat the Ferrari. You're looking very smug, Al.
To be honest with you, I'm actually surprised at how fast the car is.
Al, you sort of remind me of Sylvester Stallone, like a young Sly Stallone.
Survive a war, you gotta become war.
I wish maybe my head is as wide as his.
I don't know what you said, but yes. Sam, you're right. You're like rocking in your chair like someone with a problem.
Hey, oh, Polly.
Yeah, I'm very good, thank you.
That was a good impression.
And I think that Ferrari's cheating because it's a Ferrari. So there we are.
Andy, I guess your comfort mode is really comfortable, right?
Oh, Matt, it's super comfortable, but just wait till Octa mode kicks in. It's going to be different.
So let's do that now. Let's do an Octa mode. Everyone in sportier setting, you're going to go in 3rd gear. Obviously, there's no gears in this car. Full sport setting, race over the half mile again. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, look at it go.
Oh, I don't care. Oh my God.
Just wait till Optimo kicks in.
Look at the Octa.
Oh, that Ferrari's going for it now. Can I reel him in? I'm reeling him in. Can I catch him? Can I catch him? Can I catch him? Oh, another victory to the Ferrari. This is not happening as I thought it would.
I think I'm just a good driver. I think that's what it is.
It's all down to the driver, Sam, and that means that you're terrible.
I agree. I am garbage. But you know what? You're in a fridge. That's a Ferrari, so it's cheating. To be fair, in the Octa, that can go off-road. This can have a look at some grass, maybe. So I think morally, I win.
And Andy, has your car got any better or not?
So I've only just realised that when you're in sport mode, you've got to actually change gear. And yeah, I forgot to change up, hence why suddenly I was very slow.
Oh dear, Andy. Well, maybe you can change up in the next race. All right, team, what we're going to do now is have a roll-in race from 10 miles an hour. When we get to the line, the starter will start us. When their hands go down, we go as fast as we can all the way to the half mile. Let's see which car can win.
3, 2, 1.
Go. Oh, Ferrari's buggered it.
Bad shift. Come on, Beamer. Come on.
Oh, he's coming. Oh no, this is going to be close. He's coming past. No, do not hit a limiter. This has a limiter. I need to be enough ahead. I've hit my limiter. He's going to come past. He's coming past. No, don't. I've got some bad news for you, Sly. I think I just had you on the line. This has a limiter and I hit it, and then that was when you were reeling me in, but I don't think you had enough space.
I did not expect that. I was thinking it's going to be like the last races. That flew. Oh my God.
I'll tell you what didn't fly. Andy, the Octa, it's putting in a poor performance here. It's got a BMW engine with more power than the BMW, yet it's so slow.
Can we do it again, but all of us on the grass?
I take your point. Sam, what's going on with you?
I think this is doing a great job. It's the best colour here. It looks the best by a long way. And I just watched you two have a silly little race in front. So moral victory to me, formal protest.
Let's get back to the drag racing. Remember, it's 1 point to the Ferrari. Actually, before we do the drag racing, we're just going to warm up our tyres one last time by having a brake test from 100 miles an hour. I'm worried about this because this thing weighs 2.8 tonnes. It's the heaviest thing here. Now, if you'd rather watch another drag race with a bunch of high-performance SUVs, click on the pop-out banner or scan the QR code on screen now. If not, stay here for some lovely brake testing. Right, that was weird. Beat a Ferrari. Yeah, very close between us, Andy, the two heaviest cars. Ferrari though, ow, what happened, mate? Did you forget to press the brake pedal? Or are Ferrari's brakes just rubbish?
I didn't see the cone because the car was blocking and then I didn't know when to brake. I was trying to brake as late as possible.
Yo, Adrian. Sam, yeah, he won. Let's get on with the drag race. Before we do this race, let's just have a quick comparison of the car's sound. So, Andy, can you rev up your Defender? Let me put my window down. The insulation on this car is mad. Rev it again? Are you revving it?
Yeah, sounds alright, doesn't it?
Sam, let's hear your car.
Not great, is it?
Well, come on then, Al. Let's hear what the Ferrari's got. Oh yeah. Just do that again, Al. Listen to this. How good is the insulation on this? And now I'm going to do my car. So I can't really rev it, but what I can do is go into P-charge mode, and then I can just press a button and it'll start the engine. There we go. It's now running the engine to charge the batteries. I can't rev it. That's it. Can anyone hear that? Lewis, can you hear that?
Yes, yes.
Sounds rubbish. Let's race.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, slow off the line. Like, that was dreadful. Oh, here comes the Ferrari.
Come on, no!
Easy, easy.
Oh, can I catch the Octa? What happened to my car? Where is Al going? Mate, you're driving off like Apollo Creed's after you. Al, we're going to do like a victory lap or something.
Coming, one sec.
Hey Al, did he win?
By a country mile. I didn't even see anyone behind me.
Did he win, Sam?
He did win. This didn't launch as good as it did the last time, so he won't win again.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, that BMW's on it as well.
Come on! Oh my God!
Oh, it's close. Oh, it's coming. Oh no! What's this doing?
Come on, Beamer!
Oh, here comes the Ferrari.
Come on!
Ah! Oh, I tell you what, guys, that was blooming close. Really good race.
Matt, you got like right in my way. I didn't want to hit into you. You started swerving to the left. That's the only reason why I slowed down.
Sam will vouch I'm not a very good driver. Sorry for blocking you.
No, it's okay. Just next time I think I would have won that as well.
Okay, well, let's see. I won't block you this time. Put your money where your mouth is.
You never had me. You never had your car.
Do you know what? I've been running this car in sport mode. I'm going to put it into Sport Plus. In a normal internal combustion engine car, that would just improve your throttle map. But I wonder if it does something more in this mode. It is Chinese after all.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, we had a slow start.
Oh, it's a launch!
Oh, Sam thinks he's going to win.
What the
But he's not.
I knew it!
So Al, that was yours for the taking, but you cocked it up. And Sam was ahead of you, but then I somehow pulled past.
Matt, what the was that? I knew you were toying with me.
Let's do another race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's off the line pretty quick, but so Sam.
Beamer!
Here he comes.
Moral victory.
Oh, it's going to be close. Oh! Oh, can I just nip it?
What is going on? How fast is this plug-in hybrid?
He's coming back, but no! Oh well, you thought you were coming back then, but I don't know what happened.
I don't know what mode you put on your car.
I know, it's madness, isn't it? You just come here for like a pleasure drive, haven't you, really, Andy?
If I want to come fast, I'll come in the McLaren.
No, I better luck next time. This is it, let's do the decider. I'll tell you what will be embarrassing, Al. If the very best that Ferrari can do gets beaten by something from China.
I wouldn't underestimate Chinese tech. After I saw the last race, I'm not really confident anymore.
You never know. Get your launch down. You could just have me. It was so close on the line. Let's go. Just realised there's this other button here called Energy Boost. I might use that.
3, 2, 1.
Well, that gave me a boost.
Oh, delay on the launch. Oh.
Oh my god, I knew it.
Where is everyone?
Look at Matt go though.
I don't know. Al, has your Ferrari broken?
You know, you went so fast your tires were smoking.
No, still no idea. Sam, it was quite close off the line between you and the Ferrari. Great launches, but your car's slow.
It was a good launch. You're in a fridge. That's a Ferrari. This has got the moral victory.
There's no point, Andy, really.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Zeekr won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 10.6 seconds. The Ferrari took 11.6 seconds, the BMW 12.2 seconds, and the Land Rover was last, crossing the line in 13.1 seconds. But how on earth was the Zeekr so quick?
Guys, I do have a confession to make. The car that I'm in, it has 1,400 horsepower and 1,400 newton meters of torque.
Sorry, the biggest formal protest this channel's ever had.
Did you?
Listen, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to watch some other drag races, click on the windows. Huge thanks to Al for being a great sport and putting up with my antics and jokes about Sylvester Stallone. He's a really nice lad, and this race wouldn't have been possible without him and Quick Cars. So check him out if you want to rent a quick car. Oh, thanks to Andy as well for just making up the numbers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.